New York traffic lawyer Matthew Weiss explains how red light cameras work and how drivers will get a ticket from one.
The system is set up so that if you run the red light, a camera will activate and take a picture of your license plate along with your vehicle. It takes one when the light turns red and then when you cross. So you actually get two pictures. It shows you before with the light red and it shows you in with the light red, therefore making it almost virtually impossible to beat because they have photographic evidence which shows that you actually ran the red light.
While almost impossible to beat, Weiss says that if a driver had a mechanical problem, was rushing to a hospital, or if their car was stolen, that those may be defenses. Right on red, however, is another story.
Now, what we do see often is people who make right on reds, and again, you need to make a complete stop. And in Suffolk, they have video, so you can see if you made a complete stop or not. And when I say complete stop, that means all four wheels stop moving. Not a rolling stop like many people think is sufficient. Even a slow roll is not legal technically. You need to actually come to a complete stop.
Weiss also commented on the safety versus revenue aspect of the cameras and whether or not the overall effect is positive or negative.
These cameras generate well over $1 million for each intersection per year. So you can imagine there's an initial setup cost, but other than that, it's very, very inexpensive, and there's a huge return of investment for the county. So I can imagine they would love every intersection to have one of these cameras. But with that said, and being a traffic lawyer for 20-plus years, I personally think that running a red light is the single most dangerous moving violation that someone could engage in. Overall, I think it's having a positive effect because people who live in a neighborhood and know a particular intersection has cameras, they will not run that light anymore. And I think people will see yellow and hit their brake rather than see yellow and hit their accelerator. I think it definitely trains people not to run red lights.
For more information about New York traffic issues, you can visit Matthew Weiss's blog at nytrafficticket.com/blog.